What is going on, friends? I've got a really cool LED indoor ceiling light here today. This is a very simple install, whether you've got a light at the place already or you're doing a new install. This is just 3 wires right to it. You put the base up on the ceiling and then the head just connects right on there and then you're ready to go. It's all LED, so it is a nice new way to save energy and it just has a really nice look to it. Let's open it up and check it out. So right up top you have your assembly and installation instructions. Very, very easy to install this light. Of course, if you don't know what you're doing, contact a qualified electrician. You've got some nice foam padding there up top. And here is the light. Don't think anything else is in here. And yeah, that is it in the box. So we'll get that box out of the way here. And this is nicely packaged. So you don't have to worry about anything being scratched up. You got some wire nuts here. Piece of foam for packing there. And you've got your base plate here. Got some cardboard around it. Go ahead and pull this out here. So the base is typical. You have your mounting base, which is going to go up in the ceiling, and then this base for the light has these thumb screws which screw on right there. We've got 22 lights, and you've got an internal switch right here so you can adjust the warmness of the light. And we have clear white, neutral white, and a warm white. So 3 different options of light for you. Really easy install. You got 3 wires, you got your base, and then the actual light base mounts to that. And then you have these 3 holes right here, which connect right to the light. You've got 3 of those fittings there. It just slides on, and then you twist, and it's ready to go. You can hit the light switch on and check out the light. Very, very simple, very lightweight. It's LEDs, so it doesn't use much power, and the light provided is really nice. Lasts much longer than traditional light bulbs. And this frame is a nice metal frame with your plastic cover there. So we'll go ahead and get this thing installed and check out the light. Okay, I've got this old style of light in one of the closets here. I'm gonna go ahead and take this down, get the base installed, and then put the light on here. Again, if you don't feel comfortable doing electrical work, call a certified electrician. Do not risk it. I was a chief engineer on giant 1,000-foot ships for many years, and electrical work was much of what I did, so I'm very comfortable doing this type of work. Now, if you are removing an old light, it's very simple because the terminal box is going to fit exact to the mount that they have provided. It's got all of these holes, so you can line it up pretty much with any one of these old terminal boxes, and of course the new ones. So just take the old bracket out of the way if you were doing an upgrade. Of course, if you're doing a new install, you simply install the new one. Once you've got the bracket installed, go ahead and grab the base of the light, connect your 3 wires, and then you have your 2 thumb screws, which go right in those holes right there to keep the base right up to the ceiling. This base is very lightweight, so I usually take the ground, connect it, and then that will hold the light. If you're worried about it falling, just grab a little hook, connect it to one of these holes, and then connect it to the bracket up there, and it'll hold it up while you connect your wires. Then just simply slide it into place on the 2 studs and connect the 2 thumb screws. That is it. It's that simple. Once you got your base here, you're ready to go ahead and select which warmness of light you want, and then put the cover on there. The cover simply slides on there, and you turn it clockwise and it locks right into place. Right now I've got it on warm white. We'll go ahead and put the cover on and check that temperature. Okay, this will be the warm white setting. And of course that is the warm white. I'll just take the cover off here, and now I will go to the neutral or natural white, which is the center selection. Go ahead and put the cover back on. So now I'll go to the neutral or natural white, and you can see this is a little bit brighter. So if you like the temperature a little bit brighter than that warm white, this is a perfect setting. The last setting on here is cool white. So once you click that over, same thing, slide the lid on there. And here we have the cool white setting. This is a nice bright light. If you are into the daylight temperature colors, this is going to be the setting for you. That's the setting that I like, and that's what I'm going to keep this on. And I think the light looks really great. It's really easy to install. The quality feels really nice. If you ever need to just pull the cover down and clean it off, it is very simple. You simply turn it counterclockwise about 3/4 of an inch, and it slides down. It's really lightweight. You just wipe it off with a damp cloth, put it back up there, turn it clockwise, and you are ready to go. So this is a very nice light. Excellent option if you are looking for an upgrade or a new install and you want to have LED lights, save a little bit of money, have an option of 3 different temperatures. This is a really good choice. I really like this light, and I definitely recommend this if you're in the market for some new ceiling lights. So appreciate everybody watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.